Info Play is a system and process for developing and growing big ideas. As you dig in, here's what you'll find inside. You'll find a strategic framework for storytelling, focusing on the relationship between the people, their goals, and the problems that stand in the way. As your idea takes shape and evolves, your story and presentation will need to evolve as well. That's why you'll get playbooks and meeting maps for key conversations, from your earliest show and tells to your highest stakes pitch meetings. In order to develop your story and idea, you'll go through over 20 hands-on exercises and practical examples. You'll walk through tools for understanding your audience needs and your meeting participant motivations. You'll learn and practice the mechanics of storytelling through proven techniques and patterns. Exercises and frameworks will show you firsthand how to build up short, simple, speakable content, backed and linked to your supporting proof points and data. Also, inside, you'll find over 20 book recommendations, frameworks, and tools to help guide your thinking and offer deeper exploration of InfoPlay's key concepts. And of course, you'll get layout guides, instruction on content visualization, content strategy, and tons of options for how to treat text and other on-slide elements to tell the most powerful story you can.